time is it?
It's early.
What time is it, Ben?
6:30 a.m.
Tractor's ready to go. Ben's on the trailer. We are pulling out. Hey, everyone wave to me, please. Show me your excitement. It's 6:30 in the morning and you're picking corn. Nice job.
It wasn't just happenstance, or maybe the stars aligning. Your life is a master plan that someone's designing. It doesn't matter where you're from, whether you're near or far. No matter where you go, someone knows who you are. And I can't doubt that someone cares. A guiding hand is always there, and I see it everywhere. Like starry nights on open plains, like early mornings and working days, like sweat and hope and songs of blue jays sings. Like sunrise on a golden field, like hearts once broken finally healed, and winter souls are turned into the spring. I love the little things. I love the little things. If daylight's passing by, life's getting way too fast. Better just simplify, remembering things at last. What would your mama say to keep you on the ground? Everything comes so clear, just take a look around. With the sunset in your eyes, lasting hope is what you'll find. The breezes lighting up the sky. Like starry nights on open plains, like early mornings and working days, like sweat and hope and songs of blue jays sing.
You said pickers! Corn! Corn! Go corn!
I'm Emma McFarland. I'm a cheerleader at Highmark Charter School. I'm a corn picker. I love singing, and I'm a Mormon.
I'm Lincoln Erickson, and I'm a 9th grader. I like to paint and draw, and I play the piano, I used to play soccer, and I pick corn, and I'm a Mormon.
My name's Hunter James. I'm a corn picker. I love hunting and fishing, and I'm a Mormon.
Hi, I'm Max Messerly. I love basketball, boating. I'm a hardcore Boise State fan. I'm a corn picker, and I'm a Mormon.
Everybody needs a friend. No one wants to be alone. When things are looking down, it's good to have somewhere to go. There are those who really love you. You can see it in their eyes. There are those who pretend to and might say all sorts of lies, and it might hurt you, but it's good to know how to recognize the one from the other.
Hi, I'm Amanda Messerly. I have done ballet for 10 years. I'm going to be a sophomore, and I play piano. I'm a corn picker, and I'm a Mormon.
I'm Ben Francis, and I play the piano, I swim. I'm the oldest of 9 siblings, and I'm a corn picker and a Mormon.
I'm a brother. I play the piano. I'm Sam Francis. I do track. I've done swim team, and I'm a Mormon and a corn picker.
24.
My name's Ethan Clark. I like to run. I like hunting, fishing, trapping. I'm a sophomore at Fremont. I'm a Mormon, and I'm a corn picker.
I'm Kylie Hall, and I'm going to be a sophomore, and I have a grandpa who's a farmer, and I love to pick his corn, and I'm a corn picker, and I'm a Mormon.
My name's Cordell Henry. I'm a senior at Fremont, FFA chairperson, and I like to pick corn.
Life can be a blessing, life can be lovely. Don't wanna at Fremont. I like cooking, fishing, as well as I'm nice. And a corn picker.
And you're a corn picker.
Yeah, it's always a good thing.
I'm Steven Anderson. I'm Jared's older brother. I've done 2 seasons. I'm married and just bought a house, and I'm a corn picker.
Hi, my name is Caleb McFarland. I rock at tackle football. I want to grow up to be like Max. I pick corn, and I'm great at the piano, and I'm a Mormon.
I'm Colton Henry. This is Hannah McFarland, a little baby child that's awesome. I'm a corn picker, and I enjoy it.
We don't believe for the honor
Hands in,
to
guys.
be followers of what
Corn on
we
3. Corn pickers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Corn pickers.